Your customer's journey doesn't end when they finish making their purchase. In fact, this post-purchase phase is a great moment to cement your brand in your customer's mind and help make sure they keep coming back in the future. For e-commerce businesses, tracking emails are a great opportunity to do just that. Compared to other kinds of emails, tracking emails have an exceptionally high open rate. This means that what you include there is all the more likely to be seen by your customers. To edit those emails within SendCloud, go to Settings and find Tracking Emails in the menu. As you see, SendCloud can send emails for outgoing and return shipments. For both types, there are a few events that can trigger an email, such as when a label is created or a parcel is delayed. If it's not clear, down here you can find a longer description of when exactly each email is sent. You can use this toggle to turn the specific email on or off. If at least one of the emails is turned off, a short message is displayed below. This way, you don't need to click through all the tabs to learn that you're not sending some important update. Of course, if you decide to stop sending the emails altogether, you can use this toggle for that too. Okay, but what about the content inside the emails? After you add your branding in SendCloud, the logo and your brand colors will be applied automatically, ensuring a consistent experience for your customers. If you manage multiple brands, you'll have a separate set of emails with your different branding elements. For each email, you have full control over the subject, button, and body text. This way, you can further adjust them to your brand and include some additional information. Want to personalize your message? Insert dynamic tags by typing the bracket sign and choosing the right tag, such as including a customer's name. And when you're done editing, don't forget to click Save. If you ship internationally, you may want to provide your customers from abroad with the same awesome experience. For this reason, on the left-hand side, you can add countries you ship to and send translated versions of your emails. And if you ship a parcel to a country that is not on the list, the English version of the email will be sent. Now, define the reply to email address. This is where your customers' replies will be sent. This way, no customer questions will fall through the cracks.